Look guys, I wanna show you this. One of my favorite blazer guys na nabili ko sa Ukay for only 50 pesos. Ayan guys. Ayan o. Ayan sa halagang 50 pesos guys. Meron na naman tayong blazer outfit pang beach guys. Ayan, ito lang yung ginagamit ko sa beach guys. Pag ako ay pumupunta ng beach. Ayan po. Ayan, tuwa naman talaga ako guys kasi sa halagang 50 pesos, ayan, bagong-bago pa siya guys. Bagong-bago pa yung ating blazer for only 50 pesos. Ayan guys, ang ganda niya. I really love it. Ayan o. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ito lang yung sinusuot ko pag ako'y nagbi-beach guys. Ayan, my beach outfit. Ayan yung ating likuran o. Ayan guys, pack na pack yan. Ayan. O, diba? Sa halagang 50 pesos, guys, may pang rampa na naman ako. Ayan, o. Ayan, guys. Ayan. One of my favorite outfit and beach. Ayan, guys, o. Pack na pack yan. Sa halagang 50 pesos. Ayan, may bulsa pa siya, guys. Ayan, may bulsa siya. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Mga ganito lang, guys. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa na ako. Ayan po. Ayan, I really love it. Kasi sa halagang 50 pesos, ayan, abot kaya lang siya guys. Ayan, ayan po yung aking outfit for today. Pack na pack yan, yung ating likuran. Ayan, love it. Guys, ang ganda dito. Ayan po yung aking blazer for today. Ayan, wow! Worth of 150 pesos. I really love it. Ayan guys, isusukat na natin siya. Ayan. Kasi pupunta tayong beach. Yung ating outfit for today. My beach outfit for today guys. I really love it. Ayan. Ayan po. Ito yung ating blazer na susuotin. Ayan for today. Ayan. So guys, ito na. Ito na yung aking blazer na napakaganda. I really love it. Ang lakas niya makaputi guys. Ayan o. One of my favorites. Guys, pack na pack siya. Yung ating likuran, ayan. Pack. Guys. Ay, diba? I really love it. Ayan, guys. Meron na naman akong panibagong blazer. At ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, sumurang halaga lang yan, guys. For only 150 pesos. Ayan, pack na pack yung aking beach outfit for today. Pack. Ganda naman ni aking guys, fashion for today because I really love having them guys. Pack. Ayan o.